wanted to be on the front edge of the GPS, utilizing it in the utility world. And so the 490i was the best one that we found for the technology. The confidence that it gives the team in the field, being able to know their grades, their depths without having to take the time to get out, gives them better flow to their day. The quality of uniform bedding underneath the pipe stays exactly the same, so you end up with a better quality product when you're done, and costs are kept more in check.
They're not going to go below grade. It's going to be more accurate because the subgrade is more accurate. Where that really pays dividends is in the bedding material, and when he's setting the pipe, he's able to set the pipe more accurately.
Just to the fact that, you know, when you get done making that cut, you know that you're good. Dump your rock, pull your rock, you don't have to wait for him to grade it. It's already graded for him, so you just go up, grab the pipe. It's quite a bit faster.